As you're watching this, the new year has already begun. And if you're craving a quiet, gentle start, you're in the right place. Grab your beverage of choice and join me for 8 minutes of paint on paper. This week between Christmas and New Year's always feels different to me. It's quieter, slower, like a deep breath before something new begins. I feel a genuine sense of excitement right now. The new year is just about upon us. I love that feeling of a new beginning. I've done my little end-of-year rituals and thanked 2025 for all that it's given me. And I've taken some quiet time to plan my new year. In this season of my life, it's not about a long list of resolutions anymore. Just a few things I'm moving towards with love and intention. I'm feeling fresh start energy in a big way, so working on this large sheet of paper is perfect for me in this moment. If you've watched my video, Abstract Painting, How Small Studies Inspire Big Art, I've linked it for you here. You'll know how much I love working either in my sketchbooks or on loose paper. A blank page is always a new beginning, every single time. This 18-inch by 24-inch mixed media paper is perfect for right now. It's not too big and not too small. I find sometimes that working too small is a bit confining, and working on this larger paper lets me stay loose and playful. As always, when I work this way, there are no expectations, just my hands, the paint, and the moment I'm in. This is something I plan to do even more of this year. I'm going to take 15 minutes every day to create one page, even on the days that are full of other commitments, especially on those days. You know, there is so much evidence that says creating a sketchbook page, or any creative activity for that matter, helps to improve your mental health by reducing stress and increasing self-awareness and mindfulness. The fun thing is you don't need to be an experienced artist to get the benefits of this. So to everyone I've met that has told me they can't draw stick people, you can relax here. That is not the point. The point is the process of creation, the act of making and self-expression, not the final outcome. The process is the point. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to start a creative project this year, or to be more consistent with one that you're already doing. One of the things I love about this time of year is how it gives us permission to pause, to look back without judgment, and to look ahead without needing all the answers. There's actually a name for this feeling. It's called the fresh start effect. It's the idea that certain moments in time help us mentally separate the past from the future. And when we do that, change suddenly feels more possible. The calendar gives us a clean edge here. But the truth is, the fresh start doesn't live on January 1st. It lives in the moment you decide to start again. I've learned over the years that starting fresh doesn't mean starting over. It means carrying what worked forward and gently setting down what no longer fits. That's how I approach my art now. And honestly, that's also how I approach my life. Sometimes a fresh start is bold, and sometimes it's as simple as showing up for 15 quiet minutes with a piece of paper and a little bit of curiosity. If you're watching this and feeling behind, or unsure, or quietly hopeful but afraid to say it out loud, just know you're right on time. This page I'm working on will eventually be turned into something else. It might inspire a larger painting, or it might stay exactly as it is. And that's enough. Not everything we make has to lead somewhere. Sometimes the act of making is the point. So wherever you are right now, at the beginning of a year, or the middle of a season, or even somewhere in between, you're allowed to begin again. You're allowed to change your mind. And you're allowed to start small. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. I hope this video feels a little like an exhale and maybe a gentle fresh start of your own. And if this resonated with you, please leave a comment and let me know. I read each and every one and appreciate that you took the time.